Okay, guys, welcome to the stream. So let's going to check about. Now we're going to invest the tropical cyclone Pre-Malakas and known as 02W. Now let's check to the Japan Meteorological Agency. This one is going to be even going to look like. Oh, okay, let's put a circle here. Look closely. This one is going to forecast to move northwest to northwest, and intensity and the category level is obviously a typhoon, or even look like. And hopefully we don't want to get some destructive wannabes, just like anything else. So actually, this one is now a the tropical depression level. So as it will forecast to move northwest, then go northwest and blow into. Now the sort of the storm circle, storm wind circle is really large, or maybe it's not, just because it's just literally like a normal storm does have any that level. Otherwise, that could be like normal typhoons does not have this one. So it's just a limit of those times. So now to check time, now to check to the central weather, now to check the central weather bureau. I mean central weather bureau, and the forecast is look like the same, just like Japan. So, but first we have to check the track first. And the Taiwan is expected this one will move into mostly like northwesterlies, because something like northwest or northwest, because look at that, it's really going to be. So there's a red is a 80 chance, orange is 60% chances, yellow is a 40% chance, others are lower than 20 or 20%, or maybe not so. So the Taiwan, it will be forecasted. Look at this. It certainly looked like moving northwest. Now to this one. Sorry, it doesn't work, but whatever then. Look, probably just looks like. Now try the 3-day forecast. It literally looked like moving northwest, because and the Japan Meteorological Agency will name Malakas or even not. So that thing, this one called Pre-Malakas is going to move slow. 6 hours later, it will be even look like. So after that, 72 hours, which means 3 days later, it will be up to 21 kilometers per hour moving speed. Now for the 5 days forecast, it will just like it was looks like a unsettled speed. Now check this again. So it really like Western North Pacific has a biggest chance has affection of the type of the tropical cyclone. Oh, okay, be now to wait another. So so it depends on that Western North Pacific sea temperature. It doesn't mean it will really intensify really quickly, but somehow some typhoons can intensify quickly normally. We believe in that. Now to windy.com. So there's a TD02W. Now for the wait, but we're first on ECMWF first. And why is this one is existed? Why is on the left side existed? So it's not a problem. It could be some forecasting problem and causing the technical difficulties. Look, it's kind of intensified slightly, but it would took it long. So trying to put it into a so moving on. Well, it's kind of intensifying. Look, and it keeps on intensifying. Look at the wind. It's super big. It's look like 68 kilometers per hour. It's kind of bigger and bigger. It doesn't mean wait, how? And why is there some somehow they all notice and it'll keep intensifying. And again, look, and the maximum wind speed look like literally like even higher as it looks like 73 kilometers per hour. But we don't trust windy because but we kind of not to trust about windy because its forecasting is kind of mess. Now, it will be more north than recurve. Wait, how it's going to be look like? Then make this again. Wait a minute. And again, it's upgrading again. And that this one looks like a Malakas Typhoon. Now and then recurve. Wait a second. How come it became even stronger? Oh well, it's just now recurving northeast, so it will be now literally like weakening, but sometimes. And weaken again, slightly. Weakening again, and again. And and then it will evolve into an extratropical cyclone, and it's moving to the Japan. So, oh my god, my computer! Why did my computer glitched? It's so laggy. I can't no. And moving northeast, and then obviously look like a extratropical cyclone, but it's not yet because something look like it's going to be. Now back to this one. Not to G, not to GFS. And looking intensifying. Wait, two centers? That could be look like a monsoon low. And there's two centers on the way during the forming of Pre-Malakas. Wait, another one. This one is intensifying while this one is not. And again, intensifying again. And wait, how did the three tropical cyclones existed in the first place? Look at this one. It's sort of kind of joking or not. Look, isn't that kind of. Wait a second. Is that some kind of joke? I didn't even know why there's another one is forming. Well, both of them, well, two centers of this type of, but that looks like a radio or a tape of something. And this one is going to kind of like northly and even closely north and even northly. Wait, how come it's both intensifying with two different eye of the storm? And even northly, this one on the left side, well, this one is on even intensifying. And this, wait, it could be make the distance of Hong Kong. And it will be keep forecasting even try to upgrade. Wait, how is going to be look like? How did goes to east? Although why is not go to northwest? And again, so and that could be look like. Hold on a second. Something's really off. Wait a second. Those three centers. Something's really off. I have never seen that look like before. Hello. And then forecast again. Oh, it's keep. Why is keep like this one is going east, and why is this one is kind of a mess? That's very strange. This one is going to weaken and blow into Philippines, but it says that way look like a wind year. And then this one died out. This one is keep dying out of nowhere. And it moving like that, is that kind of cunny thing? There's another one that's wait, there's another center of this one, but that's not look like. Now look at this. It's kind of like we could. Oh, that's too far away. Come on. Oh my god. Sorry about that because the computer's too laggy about it. And it's looks like kind of like messed up. Well, that's a big mess. I don't know how to forecast this windy, so I'm gonna switch to Metwarn. Ack. Now sharing the tab instead. Hello? Where's the thing? Okay, fine. There's never mind that. It goes unconscious on my computer. Why? Why at? Oh well, there's never mind that. Now to Matt Warren. So, look like it will be upgrade into a tropical cyclone. It will be higher chance for upgrading to a tropical storm. However, it will depend on the sea temperature of the western North Pacific to upgrade into a severe tropical storm or typhoon. Now, look, it's so confusing to forecast. Look at that. It's obviously look like moving northwest and north-northwest. I need to fix the bug. Ouch. It looks strange. First west, then northwest, and then north-northwest. That's strange. I have never heard that. It could be kind of severe. Because of that, Malakas could be upgrading to a second level. And that's not even good. And that red thing is a severe typhoon, and it's strange. Strange. I have never heard of it. So, anything but this. Look at that. And it's a kind of a higher chance to upgrade into a tropical storm or higher, but not severe typhoon and the super typhoon. Now look, it depends on it. Look at that. It's the lowest one will be at this one. than this one. But how exactly it looks like it's getting even lower. And then firstly get into the peak, into a severe tropical storm, then get back to the tropical depression, then upgrade to typhoon. One day, but then one day, obviously upgrade to the typhoon in nowhere, some like crazy, and then try to lower it down. Then upgrade to a severe typhoon. Wait, one of the forecasts think that will upgrade to super typhoon, or that is a weird one. Now to this one. It switched forecast again, so it just upgrade into a severe tropical storm, and then look that track is so cunning. CMC, what happened to you? But anyways, so ECMWF, it will be higher chance it will upgrade to a severe tropical storm. Wait, I know what it looked like. Not a GFS. Weird. That's no such no such track like that. And the GFS will be this one will upgrade into Typhoon. Now for UKMO, it doesn't show the intensity. Now to GFS. That looks weird. The track is kind of short, then I don't know how it intensify into like that. Some are severe typhoon, some are expected to be a typhoon, something is STS, known as severe tropical storm. But forecasted into how, but there's no information for it. Well, this one also no information. And even worse, it was look weird, and I don't know how to forecast it. But whatever then. So this one might be says looking forward a bit, but it doesn't matter. So this is not gonna look like. So I think I'll choose the ECMWF will be much better, and GFS is kind of strange. But how it's supposed to be forecasting while the thing is not even look like. Now back to the Hong Kong observatory. The satellite image is kind of strange, but there's no tropical cyclones. Or obviously there are just few clouds, like obvious. Now to so in that case, so there's no such thing as a tropical cyclone. There are a lot of clouds here, so but it's obviously kind of known about this will be moving northwest then northeast, likely going to severely affect to Japan, or maybe it could be something else. In other words, but some are thinking about this will be obvious. However, still it's kind of obvious, but Not too obviously, just because we're looking forward about it. But I can't show to this into like that. Now get to the satellite. Those are a lot of clouds are covering the whole entire sea. I mean, the whole entire clouds are cover the whole entire South China Sea. Now let's see 6 hours. That's quite a lot. Now to 12 hours. Why? Again. Now 24 hours. Now 2 days. Now to the now let's see how it looks like on the South China. So now for the 6 hours. Now to 12 hours. One day. And now for the 2 days. Looks where it look like. That could be look like lot of mist. However, it's not too much. For this one, I need to check in 6 hours. Now it's even better to put a big full version. Or maybe so I can. Oh, hello, the gaming banana. Oh, it's. Well, I'm sorry about this one is shaking, so it's not this one. Now to this one. As you know, as you see about the pre-Malakas is forming. Look, it's forming. So, as you may know, the whole entire thing is already got covered by the whole entire clouds. And it looks like a cloud sea, which has never heard of it a lot of time. So, we just for we just obviously like to know how to forecast it, but I don't know how to forecast it just because this satellite image, but the spaces are completely low. Now to get back to the wiki. Um, so the JTWC just forecast about this pre-Malakas, as known as Tropical Depression 02, will be moving northwest. So it will up to 90 knots. The winds will be up to 90 knots. I'll show you how to put knots into a kilometer. So this 19 knots is looks like it's up. So it's 19 knots will be look like a up to 166.68 kilometers per hour for the roundabout. So use a so it looks like a Hong Kong Territory's severe typhoon level. That means the Malakas will obviously a higher chance to upgrade to a severe typhoon, or maybe something. However, something look like when it just comes out. However, because it's too difficult to forecast pre-Malakas just because it was really type of the easy level. It looks like this level is going to be even higher because pre-Malakas is kind of difficult to forecast. Is that Russo? And there's another unpleasant effect. So, you think 202W is a super typhoon? Are you sure? That is the question. Sorry, but we don't know yet. As you don't even know. But this one is even crazier. While Hong Kong Surgery didn't have any information about the without any information about the this one because it still doesn't work with those too far away. So I just wanted to make sure that they will be having a track possibility earlier so it will be much better. Wait, um that's quite bad luck because I don't know. Unfortunately, Hong Kong Authority failed to find where is the spot of the 02W just because it's too far right. However, still there's something goes off like that. Too bad that I cannot know how to forecast the well whatever then. Now is to forecast it all up. That looked like a process. So now to the Japan Meteorological Agency. Wait, what is the T? Tropical Cyclone A? You mean that is called Pre-Malakas? So 50 knot wind probability. Look, so it will be no expectation of the 50 knots wind probably extending to 0.5% from tropical cyclone, tropical depression within the 120 hours. It doesn't work anymore, so oops. But it doesn't work. So that could be a process you see about what's kind of. However, something seems really off. Actual moments, but it looks like a process. And how it even looks like a problem. So it was look like, but I don't have any words to say about it. Unfortunately, I don't have any words to say about how to forecast it. Oh, all have no chances because Malakas is temporarily too far away. But how it could be possible to blow a whole entire tower like that? But seriously, I don't know how to forecast anymore. It was like a good chance, but and it will be more chance to destroy. Although I don't know how to say that. However, we still know that, but this one could be going into likely. I don't know how to forecast it. Now, two. Great. I don't have any words to say that. And the forecast supposed to be moving northwest, then west, northwest, then north, and then northwest. It will be keeping, sometimes it will be upgrading to severe typhoon or even a super typhoon. And there's nothing on the South China Sea. Now to this one. Sorry, I don't know, but I'm afraid, but I don't know how to forecast any. But I tried, but I'll never give up for forecasting about those. Just were expected. In that case. Well, sorry about that, but I have ran out of ideas for forecasting. I don't have any ideas. Well, I'm afraid the stream will be end early because I have ran out of idea. So that's all right now.